Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Radi bin Abdul Aziz. My metric number is F1054 and this is my friend.
Hi, my name is Ridendi Anak Tuti. My metric number is F053. Today we like to show you how to replace shower tap. First, equipment are prepared.
Second, make sure water supply is turned off.
Third, all shower is used anti-clockwise by using a spanner. Then we
Fourth, seal tape is wrapped to the teeth around the threads. Finish.
fifth, new shower is turned clockwise. Please note over to turn and use the spanner again.
Six, water supply is turned on. Be sure leakage is checked. That's all from us.
Thank you.